In this video, we'll show you how to set the correct OpenXR runtime for Shapelab, ensuring the best possible performance and compatibility with your VR headset. Shapelab uses the OpenXR standard to communicate with various VR platforms. This means the app will automatically use the platform your OpenXR runtime is set to. If your runtime is set to SteamVR, Shapelab will run through SteamVR. If it's set to MetaQuest Link, it will use MetaQuest Link. Shapelab also supports Windows Mixed Reality and other OpenXR compatible platforms. For the best experience, we recommend using Meta devices with the OpenXR runtime set to MetaQuest Link. This provides the most stable and seamless connection, and it's the officially supported setup for Shapelab. If you're using an HTC, Valve, Wario, or any other SteamVR-based device, follow these steps. First, launch SteamVR. Click the hamburger menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to the OpenXR tab and select Set SteamVR as OpenXR Runtime. This ensures Shapelab communicates properly with your headset through SteamVR. If you're using a MetaQuest headset with a PC connection, follow these steps. First, open your Oculus software. Go to Settings, then select General. Click Set Oculus as Active to choose Oculus as your OpenXR runtime. Depending on your software version, this button might appear in slightly different places under the General tab. And that's it! You've successfully configured your OpenXR runtime. With the correct setup, you'll enjoy a smoother, more stable sculpting experience in Shapelab.